Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all enjoyed and liked the last video. Even I know we all are very bored at our home. So in this video, I'll show you how to do photo shoot at home with the help of a novel, and even in some photos we'll use a mug. I hope after watching this whole video, you will be able to click amazing pics at your home. So let's go for it. For the first pose, hold the novel in the front of your face, seek from the side and tilt your face. That's it. For the second position, move your leg in front of the camera and fold the other leg. Hold the novel in one hand and put one hand on the knee and play with your hair. That's it. For the third pose, we'll sit in the same position, hold the novel in one hand and from the other hand we'll keep the first finger in our mouth. That's it. For the fourth pose, we'll again sit in the same position, hold the novel at some distance and keep one hand away from our head. For the next pose, keep the cup in front of the camera, crisscross your legs, hold the novel in one hand, tilt your face and keep the palm under it. That's it. For the next pose, keep the novel in your one hand and the cup in the other. Read the novel from some distance. That's it. For the next pose, sit in the position like hold the cup on the knee and hold the novel at some distance. Read it. Here you go. For the next pose, lay down on the floor, keep the novel in one hand and at some distance. Keep the chin on the other hand's knee. That's it. Lay in the same position, hold the novel from both of the hands. See in the camera. For the next, hold the novel in front of your face and cover your half face. Keep the other hand as shown in the video. That's it. For the last pose, open the novel and balance it on the floor. Tilt your face. Keep your hands on your cheeks and smile. And here you go. I hope this video will be fruitful for you all. And if it works, then don't forget to share it and do a comment. Thank you.